If you have a can of condensed milk and a can of peaches at home, make this dessert. Everyone will love it. To start this recipe, we're going to open our can and pour half of the peaches into a bowl. You want to separate the fruit from the liquid. Next, we're going to add the peach pieces to a bowl. And then using a mixer, just crush those peaches. So this is the perfect result that we are looking for. Crushed peach is so ideal for our recipe. It's going to be so good. So now add 1 can of condensed milk and let's prepare a perfect dessert that you will want to make over and over again. It's just such a tasty result, so I promise you're going to love this one. Now we're just going to mix again in the mixer. And after mixing everything really well, let's continue the recipe. So set that aside, and then in a bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of very cold whipped cream and just mix really well with the mixer. So at this point, you will have a perfect whipped cream, super whipped and fluffy, and we're simply going to pour the peach mixture into a mold. So pour all of the contents into the whipped cream and just mix everything again. Now, after mixing everything really well, let's continue the recipe. We're going to pour some milk chocolate into the whipped cream. I added 200 grams of milk chocolate. And just stir and mix everything really well until all ingredients disappear. Chocolate is really our special ingredient here. Also, what's great, this dessert will be ready in less than 20 minutes. Now, after mixing everything really well, it's time to go ahead and pop it in the fridge. We're going to pour the cream into a larger bowl. The smell of the peach is so wonderful. And if you prefer, you can replace the chocolate with some citrus fruits. That works too. You just want to make sure to spread it really well. When you make this at home, your whole family is just going to love this dessert. So spread it on all sides, and this is the result that we are looking for. We're just going to refrigerate this for 5 hours. Now, the colder it is, the tastier it becomes. So as a reward for your patience, our peach ice cream with condensed milk is now ready. Let's go ahead and try it. So serve a generous amount to your family. I'm going to serve this in a glass. This ice cream is super creamy, you can tell. Man, my mouth is watering. I am so excited to try this. So finish with more peach pieces to make it even more delicious, or you could finish with some caramel if you would like that. I'm not going to add any more ingredients because I kind of think it's perfect just as it is, but up to you. You can get creative. And let's go ahead and eat. Enjoy.